Hi everyone, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this is of the Gucci Marmont Super Mini. I ordered it from My Theresa because the Singapore stores didn't have it in the color that I wanted. The SA said that they don't bring it in because their selection is based on customer demand, so that was really unfortunate as I really wanted to get it from the stores. This bag retails for $890 or 1,260 Singapore dollars. So there's not much loss in terms of exchange rate, and My Theresa actually matched the Singapore prices perfectly, not just for this bag but for some of the other Gucci products as well. I did not have to pay any shipping fee because it was above a certain amount, and the bag actually arrived in 2 days with express shipping. I was pleasantly surprised when it came in its original Gucci box because based on many reviews I had seen, My Theresa usually doesn't provide the original box, but maybe because this is a small box, a small item, so they were able to fit it in. I'm not really sure about that. Here it is, the Gucci Marmont Super Mini in Porcelain Rose. It's a really dark nude color, not a light nude, so I'm quite happy about that because that means I don't have to worry so much about it getting dirty or color transfer. And I've actually never seen this bag personally because they didn't have it in Singapore. There's a slight indentation on the heart at the back, but it's no big deal. It has a snap button closure, which is kind of hard to open, and I wish they had made it in a magnetic closure instead. And as you can see, the closure does leave some markings in the back as well. And over there it just says Gucci. A microfiber lining and a tag, and the little hook at the corner is actually removable, so if you think it's getting in the way, you can actually remove it. One thing to note when you are buying from My Theresa is that you cannot return the bag if this tag has been cut off, so make sure you check the bag thoroughly first. So yeah, it's a really pretty and classy bag and I can't wait to use it. Let me know if you have any questions on this bag and I'll do a review soon. Thank you for watching.